Hello. When entering the system, click on Search, then, select Accommodations and enter on View Map. Specify the location where you prefer your hotel to be close to. For example, I would like to have my hotel near the Tour Eiffel for the holidays. Moreover, choose the radius of your search. Then, select the check-in date and the check-out date. Then, mention the leader nationality. Next, choose the number of rooms and specify the number of adults and children for each room. Once all the details are entered, click on Search. The search results will appear along with the number of hotels at the top of the page. To view the location of the hotel on a map, click on Map, and the hotel will appear in red. If you want to narrow down your search and specify the distance, click on Filter on Map and press Apply Filter. To return to previous results, click on Clear Filter. Thank you for your attention.